What if I told you you can make $500 every single week using just AI tools and affiliate marketing, even if you have zero experience, no website, and no audience? Sounds crazy, right? But in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step system that beginners are using right now to generate consistent income online. And the best part? You don't need to show your face. You don't need to create products. You don't need any technical skills. All you need is AI plus smart strategy. So make sure you watch till the end, because I'll also share exact tools, content ideas, and monetization tricks that can literally change your financial. Section 1. What is AI plus affiliate marketing? Before we jump into the strategy, let's quickly understand the basics. Affiliate marketing means you promote someone else's product. You get paid a commission for every sale. Now combine that with AI. AI helps you create content faster, generate ideas instantly, automate your workflow. So instead of spending hours writing, designing, or editing, AI does 80% of the work for you. That's why this model is exploding in 2026. Section 2. How this $500 per week model works. Let's break it down simply. You need 3 things: traffic, views, offer, affiliate product, conversion, people buying. Example: if you promote a product that pays $20 commission, you only need 25 sales per week to hit $500. Now imagine, AI helps you generate thousands of views daily. That's where the magic happens. Section 3. Step-by-step setup, beginner-friendly. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. Don't overcomplicate this. Choose from make money online, AI tools, fitness, finance, tech gadgets. Pro tip: pick a niche where people are already spending money. Step 2. Find affiliate products. Go to platforms like Digistore24, ClickBank, Amazon Associates. Choose products that have high demand. Pay good commissions, $10 to $100 per sale. Step 3. Use AI to create content. This is where beginners win. Use AI tools to write scripts, generate video ideas, create captions, example content types, top 5 AI tools to make money, best passive income apps, earn $100 daily online. Step 4. Create short-form videos. Focus on YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok. Why? These platforms give free traffic. Post daily equals more views equals more sales. Section 4. Content strategy that converts. Now listen carefully. Not all content makes money. You need high-converting content. Viral video formula. Hook value call to action. Example: hook. 3 AI tools that can make you $100 daily. Value. Explain tools quickly. CTA. Link in description to start. Posting strategy. 2 to 3 videos per day. Focus on trends. Keep videos under 60 seconds. Consistency equals growth. Section 5. Best AI tools, your secret weapons. Here are some powerful tools: ChatGPT, script writing; Canva, thumbnails and visuals; CapCut, video editing; 11 Labs, AI voice. These tools reduce your work by 90%. Section 6. Traffic secrets, how to go viral. Most beginners fail here. They post content but get no views. Here's what works. 1. Trending topics. Make videos on AI earning, side hustle ideas, passive income. 2. Strong hooks. First 3 seconds decide everything. Bad hook crossmark. Today I will tell you. Good hook, white heavy checkmark. Stop scrolling if you want to earn $100. Daily. 3. Consistency. Post daily for 30 days. No excuses. Section 7. Monetization strategy. Now let's talk money bag. Method 1. Affiliate links. Put your link in bio. Description. Method 2. Link in bio tools. Use tools like Linktree. Add multiple offers. Method 3. Email capture. Advanced. Build email list. Promote offers repeatedly. Section 8. Realistic earnings breakdown. Let's do simple math. 10,000 views per day. 1% conversion equals 100 clicks. 5 sales times $20 equals $100 per day. That's $700 per week. Even if you do half, you still make $500 per week. Section 9. Scaling to $1,000 plus per week. Once you start earning, scale like this. Create multiple accounts. Post more content. Promote high-ticket products. Section 10. Mistakes to avoid. Don't make these mistakes. Posting randomly. Not using hooks. Promoting low-quality products. Giving up too early. Section 11. 30-day action plan. Day 1 to 3. Choose niche. Find products. Day 4 to 10. Create 20 videos. Day 11 to 30. Post daily. Analyze performance. Now you have the complete blueprint to make $500 per week using AI plus affiliate marketing. But remember, this only works if you take action. So start today. And if you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe for more money-making strategies, and comment below. Started. So I know you're serious about making money online. Final message. Your success doesn't depend on luck. It depends on your consistency. AI is the biggest opportunity right now. Either you use it, or you miss it. The choice is yours.